This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Well, the sun is finally returning to west Michigan, but because skies are clearing so late this afternoon, there's a chance of a little bit of light fog in the very early morning hours. In the meantime, your Wednesday will be warm. That's why the 13 weather ball is red. Warmer weather ahead. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. As skies clear, we will see a great evening for a walk with your dog walking forecast. I think this is Delea. Brian, you can take Delea out for a walk in the morning as well with green paws there. Very comfortable temperatures, light winds all the way around. Out on Lake Michigan, also light winds leading to very flat waves, at most 1 foot waves out there on the lake, and they're going to stay fairly flat throughout much of the next 24 hours. Winds will be out of the north-northeast, which keeps the waves fairly calm at the lakeshore. Water temperatures did take a little bit of a hit with those northeast winds over the weekend. Mid and upper 60s to around 70 degrees. More sunshine tomorrow means more green energy created by the sun. 8.7 out of a 10-point scale, but very light winds next several days. Not going to be a lot of energy created by the wind. We've had these persistent low clouds throughout much of the weekend. They're starting to break up just a little bit. High pressure is building on in. That means we're going to continue to have clear and dry conditions now for the next several days. But again, temperatures will take a while to warm up. You can see clear skies expected overnight tonight. Lots of sunshine during the day tomorrow. Back to the north and west, there is a little bit of a cold front that is beginning to gather up across the northern plains, but we've got plenty of sunshine all the way through Friday. This is Thursday. No showers here in West Michigan, but you can see by Friday evening there is a line of some showers that are going to slowly march toward lower Michigan. Saturday should be dry, but as we get into Sunday, our chances of rain will be increasing, along with back to some higher humidity once again after a brief break. So a long-range outlook calls for temperatures, as Michael pointed out, into the higher chances for warmer temperatures. By that time, we're in the low and mid 70s. We're going to be a little bit warmer than that starting on the 14th through the 20th, and pretty close to equal chances for more or less rainfall. The storm track will be out here out west, so they could use some rain here in the Pacific Northwest and the northern Rockies. Normally, we get about 0.8 of an inch during that 7-day period. Tonight, skies are going to become clear. It'll be cooler, low and mid 50s, and towards daybreak could be a little bit of a patchy fog. So remind the kids to be very careful as they head out the door for their school day. Around 50 along US 10, 53 Fremont and Greenville as skies become light and variable. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows will be in the mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Despite the sunshine, we'll get up into the upper 70s and low 80s, and 84 on Saturdays becomes mostly cloudy. A better chance of some showers toward the end of the weekend on Sunday and again next Tuesday. But temperatures next week, instead of the 80s, will be back down into the 70s, and it will become a little bit more comfortable with terms of humidity. So high temperatures not getting terribly warm now, but nonetheless warm enough as we get through the latter part of the summer season. Well, autumn season doesn't officially arrive until September 22nd, guys. So
I am going to enjoy the sunshine that we have this week.
Me
because
too.
Boy, did I miss it when it was gone.
it was not great this weekend.
Thanks, George. Boy, I was glad to see that sunshine come out at the end of the day.
Yeah, after such a dreary Labor Day. Of course it happened though once I got to work, the sun came out, George, just like you.
Absolutely. But we're going to enjoy more sunshine, guys.
All right.
And that is certainly most welcome, after that rather gloomy Sunday and Monday. Let's take a look ahead. 13 weather ball is red, warmer as well weather ahead. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Highs today, better than the last couple of days. 80s on Saturday, but it was only in the 60s Sunday, and then it did break 70 on Monday. Today, we're in the mid and upper 70s for your highs. Average is 77, and we came within 2 degrees of our forecast high, and we're back on track within 3 degrees of the forecast. Very few misses in the past 31 days, other than the last couple. Now, we've seen the cloud cover kind of erode this afternoon. This This is leftovers from a very slow moving upper level weather pattern that brought some heavy downpours on Saturday, and then that cooler cloudy weather over the weekend. With skies clearing so late in the day with all the water still in the air, there's a possibility of some patchy fog, especially in those fog prone areas tomorrow morning and again on Thursday morning. Back to the west, there's a cold front that will eventually push on through toward the end of the week into the weekend, and that'll bring us our best chance for a shower. Upper level winds you can see right in through here, just kind of hanging out. It's finally moved to the northeast here today, but as we get toward the weekend, here we go. This is the cold front right in through here with this upper level system that's just going to kind of hang around through Monday of next week. We'll have another chance of a shower on Tuesday, and finally that will push further to the east toward the end of next week. So next week is going to be cooler than the rest of this week, with 80s coming up and then some 70s with the sunshine returning again after a rather cloudy weekend once again. Tomorrow, though, if there is any light fog, it'll be in the morning, but lots of sunshine throughout the day. Mid-upper 70s around Ludington and Hart, 80 there in Muskegon, upper 70s Holland down towards South Haven with a very light wind. North wind will be light up in north as well. This is the highest risk for some patchy fog in the northern zones. Upper 70s to around 80 with lots of sunshine in the afternoon. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, again, a little bit of light fog in some of those fog-prone areas, especially along the rivers and streams. Highs tomorrow will be in the upper 70s, maybe even as warm as 81 down in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. Lots of sunshine next several days through Friday as we hit close to 80 here tomorrow and low 80s Thursday and Friday. Mid 80s on Saturday. It starts to get cloudier and then a chance of some showers Saturday night, but the best chance will come on Sunday. Again, just some widely scattered stuff. Humid and still 73 on Monday. Another chance of some showers as that system departs next Tuesday, and then back into a little bit more sunshine with more seasonable temperatures at the end of next week.